The next one I'm going to show you is deep packet inspection. So deep packet inspection shows up in several places in our router. I showed you the application steering already. That's one place. QoS is another place that you'll see deep packet inspection being utilized. So if you click to add an application, we've got the normal categories you always saw before, but underneath those categories, there's a lot more applications. So we've got Twitch, Vivo, lots of the popular video streaming services. Again, Netflix has been there for a little bit now, but lots of different video services under there. Again, if we look under voice over IP, that includes things like Zoom and WebEx, so not just voice over IP, but also the web conferencing applications that people like. So again, lots of new applications under here. Got OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox. Now you can also leverage these signatures for content blocking. Like let's say I just want to block Dropbox. I can just come down here, choose Dropbox, and I can block it. It's easy as that. Same with Netflix. I don't want people at work doing Netflix, so we're going to shut that off as well. Now, the other thing I'll show you with DPI is the DPI reports. If you don't know how to turn these on in IC2, you can do this at the device level or at the group level. I'll show you at the device level here. If you just click Edit, you just have to turn that little Enable DPI to on. Not all products support the DPI engine, so if you don't see that button there, you've probably got a router that doesn't support that. Now, if we go back to the group level, you can do this in bulk. So if I just click Edit, I can check all the boxes, and under Actions, I can click Enable DPI. So that'll enable it on all the routers that support it in just a couple of clicks instead of having to do it one by one. But now that we've got that turned on, we can see reports for what we've been up to on this router. Now, once you turn it on, it's going to only start collecting data at that point. So if you turn it on, you're going to get kind of a disappointing report right away. But just give it some time, let some traffic build up, and these reports should populate. I think every hour you'll see these update. So by default, it's showing you the graph based on percentage of volume, traffic volume, and then it's grouping by application category. So, okay, so 53% is web traffic and 24% is remote access. To me, that doesn't mean a whole lot. It's nice to see it categorized, but if we uncheck that box, then you're going to get more detail. So that web traffic is pretty much all Google. I'm a very heavy Google user, so that's not surprising. We got a lot of SSH on this traffic. We got some speedtest.net, SSL. If you use this feature in the past, before we really expanded our DPI applications, the unclassified slice of the pie used to be a lot bigger. And so, again, as you can see, we've really enhanced the DPI capabilities to make these reports much more meaningful and useful. You can also do it based on number of packets. So depending on the perspective you're trying to look at. But again, traffic volume is usually what people are most concerned with. How much of this or that is being actually consumed on the links.